Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to transfer money from PayPal to Google Pay in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid via PayPal or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a few things set up. Make sure you have a verified PayPal account, a linked bank account or debit card, and the Google Pay app installed on your phone. Oh, and keep in mind that direct transfers between PayPal and Google Pay aren't always available, so we'll go through the most reliable method via your bank. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account on the app or website. Head over to the Wallet section and select Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money. Choose your linked bank account as the destination and enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes, then hit Confirm. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days to process. Step 2. Once the money hits your bank account, open the Google Pay app on your phone. If you haven't already, add your bank account to Google Pay. It's straightforward. Just go to your profile, select Bank Account, and follow the prompts to link it securely. Step 3. Now, initiate the transfer in Google Pay. Go to the Payments tab, select Add Money or Transfer, and choose the source as your linked bank account. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. Boom! You're done. Your funds should appear in your Google Pay wallet almost instantly, depending on your bank. A quick heads up: always watch out for fees. PayPal might charge a withdrawal fee, and your bank could have transfer costs, so check those in advance. Also, for 2025, keep an eye on any new regulations or app updates that might streamline this process even more. There you have it, friends. Transferring money from PayPal to Google Pay is easier than you think. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay savvy and see you in the next one.